Now at 5, a growing fight over pronouns and parental rights in schools. Tonight, the state attorney general is condemning the new policy just passed by the Rocklin Unified School Board. So could a lawsuit be next? Thanks for joining us here at 5. I'm Tony Lopez.
And I'm Marley Ginter. Now, that policy passed late last night after a contentious debate. It requires schools to notify parents if a student chooses to identify as a different gender. CBS 13's Tori Apodaca getting answers for us right now on a possible legal battle brewing now. Tori.
That's right. Many Rocklin Unified students we talked with today say they now fear the changes that are happening on campuses like this one. And legal experts we talk with say it's really a battle over students' rights versus parents' rights that will likely go all the way up to the Supreme Court.
I don't think that transgender students were safe to begin with.
Transgender students fearing for their safety.
I am currently out to my parents, or my mom. She isn't fully supportive.
After Rocklin Unified passed a policy that requires staff to notify parents if a student requests to identify as a gender other than their biological sex.
I feel like it's just like the student's business, though.
Motion passes.
Rocklin Unified's decision in a 4-1 vote for the change, not the first. California Attorney General Rob Bonta filing a lawsuit against Chino Valley Unified that adopted a similar policy. Bonta now responding to Rocklin in a statement that reads in part, Rocklin Unified has chosen to endanger their civil rights by adopting a policy that forcibly outs them without consideration of their safety and well-being. We will not tolerate any policy that perpetuates discrimination, harassment, or exclusion within our educational institutions. So who will win the legal battle? School boards or the state? Civil rights attorneys stand divided.
The question should be, what right does the state have to infringe upon parental rights by keeping secrets and hiding information from them?
Attorney Dean Broyles supports the notification policy, saying the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment protects parents' rights.
The school doesn't notify the parent to let them know that Bob is dating Tina.
But other civil rights attorneys like Justin Ward saying students have privacy rights under that same amendment.
If they want to know, they need to have that conversation with their child.
Passion on both sides of the policy.
Well, I don't think anyone has ever conceived that a 5-year-old has privacy rights from their own parents.
That attorneys believe the U.S. Supreme Court will likely need to make the decision on.
If parents aren't supportive of their children, then the children shouldn't have to tell the parents.
Now, Rocklin Unified tells me that it is working on training and an implementation plan for this policy, so it hasn't gone into effect here quite yet. And the Attorney General has also not formally filed a lawsuit against Rocklin Unified at this point. Of course, we will stay on top of this and keep you updated as we learn more.
Yeah, good in-depth reporting, Tori. You nailed it with that line, passion on both sides of this policy, and we're hearing that loud and clear. Thank you. Live in Rocklin tonight. Now, this policy is popping up at schools around the state. Tonight, the Orange Unified School District will vote on a similar measure. At least 3 other Southern California districts have already passed some version of this.